Hello and welcome. Today, we'll be discussing the economy of Nepal. Intro. A beautiful country located in South Asia, between China and India. Nepal is known for its stunning mountains, including Mount Everest, as well as its unique culture and history. But today, we'll be taking a closer look at its economy, area and population. Nepal has a land area of approximately 147,181 square kilometers and a population of around 30 million people. It is a predominantly agricultural country, with over 65% of the population involved in farming. Education. In terms of education, Nepal has made significant strides in recent years, with a literacy rate of around 68%. The government has also implemented policies to improve access to education, particularly for girls and marginalized communities. Borders. Nepal is landlocked and shares borders with India to the south and west, and China to the north. Stock market. Nepal has a relatively small stock market, known as the Nepal Stock Exchange, NEPSE, founded in 1994. It is based in Kathmandu and currently has around 217 listed companies having the market capitalization of $24 billion. Imports and exports. Nepal's economy is heavily reliant on imports, particularly from India and China. The country imports a wide range of goods, including petroleum products, machinery, and food items. The import bill was $15 billion in 2021. In terms of exports, Nepal's main products include textiles, handicrafts, and agricultural goods. They exported goods worth $2.8 billion during 2021. Trade deficit and fiscal deficit. Nepal has a significant trade deficit, with imports exceeding exports by a large margin. This fiscal deficit is approximately 3.5% of GDP. This has led to a growing fiscal deficit, with the government struggling to balance its budget and address key social and economic challenges. Inflation. Inflation has been a persistent problem for Nepal, with high food prices and other factors contributing to rising costs of living. The government has implemented a number of measures to address inflation, including price controls and monetary policy interventions. However, the inflation is around 7.5% last year. Monetary and fiscal policy. The Nepal Rashtra Bank, NRB, is the central bank of Nepal and is responsible for implementing monetary policy. The government has also implemented fiscal policy measures, including tax reforms and spending initiatives, to support economic growth and address key social and economic challenges. Main industry. Nepal's economy is dominated by the services sector, which accounts for around 62% of GDP. Agriculture is also a significant contributor to the economy, accounting for around 24% of GDP. Other key industries include manufacturing and tourism. Unemployment. Unemployment is a significant problem in Nepal, particularly among youth and marginalized communities. The government has implemented a number of initiatives to address this issue, including skills development programs and employment generation schemes. 45% of the population earns less than $3.20 per day. The country's rank is 142 as per Human Development Index. GDP and per capita income. Nepal's nominal GDP is at around $39 billion in 2022, with GDP per capita of around $1,300. While the economy has shown steady growth in recent years, challenges remain in terms of poverty reduction, job creation, and improving access to basic services. Conclusion. So there you have it, a brief overview of the economy of Nepal. While the country faces significant challenges, there is also tremendous potential for growth and development, particularly in the areas of infrastructure, tourism, and agriculture. With the right policies and investments, Nepal can continue to build a more prosperous and equitable future for its people.